Yo, what's going on? It's your boy, me, the Baltimore Snake Man, straight up from the 410. So what we about to do today is, I know y'all saw that huge, large, gigantic tarantula I was holding the other day. It's called a Goliath bird eater tarantula, scientific name T. Stirmi. So what we're gonna do today is, I'm gonna go ahead and make a home for him. So we're gonna start with this tank right here. I just wanna show y'all how I'm gonna set up this enclosure, and I'm not gonna say too much. I guess for this video, it'll be a lot of subtitles, stuff like that, so y'all can keep up with me. But we're just gonna dive right in and start with it. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoy what y'all see. Let's go.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we This is run. Here we go.
And now we introduce the Goliath bird eater tarantula to his new home. Alright, y'all, so there you have it, the Goliath bird eater tarantula set up. I'm about to go ahead and take this downstairs, put it in the reptile room with the rest of the reptiles, amphibians, and arachnids. But hope y'all picked up something a little bit. Hope y'all liked it. And any questions y'all got, leave them in the comments for me. Peace out, the Baltimore Snake Man, 410. You know what it is.